lost dancing.
Let's go back to where it all began. Give us a rundown. What happened? What did you do?
Keep up with the 200.
Day one, Simo has broken us.
What has it done?
The cruiser's nearly folded in half.
Is that your fault?
Trying to keep up with the 200. What can I say?
We've bent the chassis.
On the bendy. If you chop it right there and turn into a dual cab, you're laughing. Look, your exhaust is already chopped.
You prepped that earlier.
Someone already organised that.
Oh, how good's the dust gonna be in the cab?
Tape.
Maybe that's what it's done.
Look at that.
They would be taping the doors up.
And the top of the door. Look at the top of the
Rides will be
door.
going through the windows from now on.
Look at the top of the door.
They still close. Like,
Yeah, probably not after another 2 Junes.
we're not out of the game. Can we still get beers out?
I'll ask you. It's your sticker, your Mad Rig sticker's holding it all together. This is a new way of levelling the trailer. We've just got to bend the chassis and the trailer would be level.
Oh my god.
I've never done that before.
We have.
Look, Mitch is claiming. Is this on?
You're on. Look at that.
Mitch is claiming that this dent with this scuff mark on it is as a result of the bent chassis.
I think that was
I
already
call
there.
bullshit on that.
Yeah, I call bullshit
I'm calling
too.
bullshit on that dent being a result of a bent chassis.
That's a fresh
You're
one.
clutching me.
That's a fresh
Are
one.
you sure?
100%.
Pretty sure
Let me
that
look at photos.
pretty
from
sure that was
yesterday.
you.
No.
That was you.
Flies, come on.
Yeah, look, these scratches. That's from the chassis. Those scratches are new. That dent is not from your chassis. Was it like and subscribe, guys? Just smash that like button.
That's her done.
Rides door
That's
is
it.
like, yeah, there's no.
That's all she's got. She
Even
can't
here,
keep up.
even here.
She got finger holes.
Madrid
See that?
can't keep up.
In the window, the back window. She's not dead. I'm not going to let it happen.
I know. Cab swap.
You just
No,
got to keep that sticker, that's all.
Bob, the chassis bent in half. It's more than cab swap.
Don't you chop? Oh no.
Cab chop.
Like chassis chop. Cab
Chassis
chop.
chop.
It's new. It's
so
a new
just
truck.
chop it there
And bits.
Bolt
and then bolt a 200 series on here.
Get. Mate,
So at least
I
you
was
take
worried
that
about the
door on
dust
this
coming
side.
through the floor fan before. I was worried about a little bung missing.
It's like a big frowny face. Oh, I reckon we can do a bush repair on that.
Have you got a grinder?
Have you what?
I got to grind the spanner.
We're just thinking we'll just
Ah.
cab chop. Now's the best time.
Get rid of the back of it, and we
Always wanted to do it.
won't have any problems.
It's all part of the adventure.
Yeah, she's cooked.
Someone else take over. The stress is too much. This whole
Don't even
influence.
look at me. I'm
What do
not
you
happy.
reckon?
I'm sad.
Shit happens when you party naked.
What? There you are, mate.
Hey.
How you going?
Good.
Love you.
Love you. Just thinking what's going to happen next.
Yeah?
I mean, everything happens for a reason, I guess. Door closes, not door opens.
Our door does not close, then what
door
happens?
doesn't close properly, but we'll see what happens. Fucking flies.
We'll see. Maybe a 2.0.
2.0? Yeah, there'll be another cruiser, that's for sure. Another 105.
Poor old girl.
So, that's the best way. Be rough.
No, I'm just sussing it out.
You can get your hand right in there. Lucky I didn't bother with new door seals.
You can bother with a lot of things. Like a full respray.
Oh.
That would be shit.
got distracted.
Being pests. Oh.
Breakfast beers. Kate, $2. It's going to be a f***ing good day. We're in luck here.
That the other day, boss, I was going to say, I had $4 in my pocket from the other night.
Yeah, so did I. I kept like,
How much
Hang
do
on.
you have? Do you have $8 in your pocket now?
I got $8.
Has that got a picture of the Queen on the back of it? That's mine.
We had some dramas. We pulled up to camp last night. The chassis is bent in half on the cruiser. So I think that's game over for her, but we're going to limp it out. Hopefully get to the other end, finish our trip, see what happens. We've taken some measurements. Everything seems to be sitting where it is and not moving, which is good. Hopefully it stays that way.
After an absolutely epic trip to the Northern Territory, it was time to say goodbye to the off-grid fam and head home. Little did we know we'd be seeing them pretty soon.
How you going, dude? What's happening? Come here. Just cuddle. How are you?
You got it?
How you been? Yeah?
Come to off-grid garage to get our new trailer handover.
Yeah.
Oh, Magic 2.0.
2.0.
Number 2. Look how straight it is.
I hope it's good.
You're a legend. What do you reckon, Bob? She's a little straighter. Yo,
There's cup holders.
cup holders.
Yeah.
Madrig 2.0, and it has a very straight chassis.
Here's one rig. Here's the other rig. Let's see from over here. Here's the 2 rigs. One mad rig and a 2 mad rig. Okay. Phew. What do you reckon?
I reckon there's a lot of work here.
Yep.
Strip her down,
Yep.
rebuild her. What do you reckon?
I reckon it's cool.
Cool?
Yep.
I reckon it's a big job.
Yeah, I reckon we can get her back together.
You reckon?
Yeah, I reckon.
Okay.
Yep.
You see all the dirt under there from our trip?
Yep.
That's
All
from
good.
Northern Territory. It's from the desert.
Yep. Put the GoPro on there. And all that.
What are you doing, mate?
Stripping. Stripping.
Your drawers are coming out. What else? Pulling the roof rack off. You've pulled all the bar work off.
Check this out, limited edition. You know you've been to the territory. Fucking red dust everywhere.
She's looking a bit sad.
Doesn't sound sad. I've missed you.
What, you got the lights out? Seems to be a big shed.
Full in no time.
It was at this moment that we realised that we needed more space. So we decided to find a rental with a really big shed. It's our new shed space. It's tiny in here.
Yo.
Hello.
Madrig build series. This is gonna be sick. We're in pretty deep. We're in very deep. Very
the
out
point
of
of
our-
no return is where you're at.
Definitely. There's
Yeah.
no returning. We're sitting here with 2 cars, 2 motors out. We've written off the Madrig, as you guys probably know. We bent the chassis on our trip in the Northern Territory. So we're back here. We've moved house. We're renting a joint with a big shed now, which is sick. So we've got room to do this build. It's been pretty crazy to get here. We are f***ing keen to get this thing built and get back on the road doing what we love. Like, this is definitely not what we're about, but...
Huge, this has been a huge setback.
It has, but it's alright, we'll get there.
Right. You did swear you'd never build a cruiser again.
I did, and look what we're doing now.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's get this thing built and get back on the road.